final hand. West has a balanced 15 count with 5 diamonds, so they open 1 diamond. East is 5-5, 5 spades and 5 clubs. And the rule for responder and opener when you're 5-5 is that you start by bidding the higher ranking. So they will start by bidding 1 spade. And there's a few reasons. One is if you start by bidding clubs, it's going to be hard to then get across the fact that you have 5 spades later, and the major is more important than the minor. Also, if you bid spades and then clubs the next time, partner can then give preference back to spades at the same level. Whereas if you start with clubs and then bid spades, if partner wants to give preference back to clubs, they would have to go a level higher. So yeah, East spades 1 spade. And West shows their shape and their strength. They bid 1 no trump, saying they're balanced, and they have 15 or 16 points. And now East adds their 16 to the 15 or 16, so that's either 31 or 32 points. So that's getting into the range where they might be interested in slam, because you normally need about 33 points with 2 balanced hands for slam, but East has a very strong hand in playing strength with the 5-5 shape, especially if they have a fit in spades or clubs. So they would like to find a fit, so they will bid 3 clubs. Jumping to 3 clubs is forcing, and it says they have at least 5 spades and at least 4 clubs. Probably 5 clubs, because if they were 5-4, they might just bid 3 spades. And now West, with their 3 card spade support, will show that. And East, now that they know there's a spade fit, they would be investigating slam. But you haven't done any slam bidding yet, so we'll just settle in 4. But East should go looking for slam. Now South has a tough lead. All the suits have been bid apart from hearts, but you don't really like to lead an ace, an unprotected ace. So their option would either be lead the ace of hearts or lead a trump. And trump has 2 main attractions. One is that it's safe, it probably won't give away a trick, but also there's a chance maybe Declare will be trying to trump their clubs in dummy, so removing their trumps might help. And Declare counts losers. They have no spade losers, 1 heart loser, no club losers, as long as they're not 5-1, and 1 diamond loser, depending on where the king is. So that was 1 diamond loser and 1 heart loser. We're always going to lose the ace of hearts. So what we can do is, when we play a heart to the king, when that loses to the ace, that sets up the queen, and we can then discard our diamond loser, so it won't matter where the king of diamonds is. So we'll start by drawing trumps. And now we're going to lead the heart. And it doesn't actually matter what South does here. If they take the ace, then that sets up the heart tricks. And when they play a diamond, we're not going to play the queen, because we can always get rid of our diamond loser on the hearts. and we have the rest of the tricks. So 12 tricks.